If a wire that has a diameter of less than 0.033 inches has to undergo a torsion test, the length of the specimen being used must be inches. A 10, B 100, C 30, D 8. The correct answer is 30. The atomic number of zinc is A 25, B 13, C 104, D 30. The correct answer is 30. What is the maximum speed up to which the clamp can be rotated in a torsion test? A 120 rpm, B 2 rpm, C 26 rpm, D 60 rpm. The correct answer is 60 rpm. The density of zinc is at room temperature. A 2.7 gram per cubic centimeter, B 6.52 gram per cubic centimeter, C 7.14 gram per cubic centimeter, D 0.44 gram per cubic centimeter. The correct answer is 7.14 gram per cubic centimeter. Zinc in the form of ores can be found in which of the following places? A. Antarctica, B. Canada, C. Canada and Russia, D. Russia and Antarctica. The correct answer is Canada and Russia. Torsional strength is the A. Capacity of a material to withstand the twisting load, B. Ability to apply force, C. Gravitational attraction, D. Electrical force. The correct answer is capacity of a material to withstand the twisting load. Zinc is alloyed with which of the following elements frequently? A. Vanadium, B. Copper, C. Helium, D. Rutherfordium. The correct answer is copper. Tensile stress can be obtained through rotations per minute using the following formula: RPM diameter to wall thickness. A. True, B. False, C. D. The correct answer is false. The wire constantly experiences kinking when it is subjected to the torsion test. A. True, B. False, C. D. The correct answer is false. Zinc is a non-lustrous element. A. True, B. False, C. D. The correct answer is false.